ELISA or enzyme liquid immunosorbent assay is the modern technique developed to identify antigen or else virus or the antibody produced against those viruses which are highly specific. So here what really happens, when antigen is added to that antibody is added to that antibody coated with enzyme is added. Now what happens when enzyme is there, when you add a colorless substrate, enzyme will act on the colorless substrate and form a chromogenic or colored product which you can measure with the help of spectrophotometric techniques. When you measure, you will get a particular concentration that can be used to quantify either antigen or antibody. So this technique is a merely antigen antibody reaction which was developed in 1971 in one of the lab in Sweden. It is common laboratory technique to measure whether a particular antibody is there or antigen is there in any concentration. So what is the principle? I already explained it. That means there will be antigen, that means a virus, or else antibody. So those things are coated on a well or micro titer plate well or plastic plate well. There are 96 well plates are commonly used in ELISA reader. ELISA reader also you can compare with normal colorimetry or spectrophotometric technique. To this you are adding antibody. If antigen is coated, you are adding antibody. If antibody is coated, you are adding antigen. So once it is bound, so the antigen antibody complex is formed, you are adding a secondary antibody conjugated with enzyme. So now it is antigen antibody or antibody antigen secondary antibody enzyme complex. To this, if you add a substrate, depends on enzymes. If it is a alkaline phosphatase, then you need to add para-nitrophenol phosphate. If it is peroxidase enzyme, then you need to add orthophenyl diamine dichloride. So when these substrates are added, enzyme acts on those substrates and form a colored or chromogenic product which can be used to quantify an antibody or antigens. So what is the application of this? You can detect whether antigen is there or that means virus is there. If it is there, in what quantity? So then why that coronavirus or common cold virus or any STD viruses, that means sexually transmitted disease, or bird flu, HIV, many things, or other industries, food industries, and even serum testing, and many places it is used, but mainly for viral infection. It can be an authentic technique where you can exactly say what is the quantity of virus, what is the viral load in a particular person. So what are the different types of ELISA? There are many types, but mainly indirect ELISA, sandwich ELISA, and competitive ELISA. Let us know what is indirect ELISA. In the indirect ELISA, to a micro titer plate, that means a plate may be available already in the market that is coated with an antigen. That means a coronavirus, you just imagine. To this you are adding an antibody. So what happens? Coronavirus plus antibody it forms. To this already enzyme coated antibody, that means secondary antibody you are adding. So now it is a coronavirus antibody complex. So if you add substrate, enzyme acts on substrate and form the color. If color is more, that means the coronavirus is more. If color is less, coronavirus is less. So what is the next technique? That is a sandwich ELISA. Here antibodies are coated. That means a viral antibody produced in a human body is already coated to this. Maybe commercially produced, some of the companies will produce a kit where it is available. To this you are adding the coronavirus. Now it is antibody coronavirus complex. To this you are adding as another antibody which is coated with enzyme. So if you add a substrate, enzyme act on that and form the color. Color depends on how much concentration of coronavirus is there. Now the next technique, that's a competitive ELISA, where you are taking an antibody, that means a prior produced antibody. To this you are adding a coronavirus. So what happens? The coronavirus complex is formed outside, not on the well, but in some vials. Then you are adding this mixture to a coronavirus coated plate. So what happens if antibody is already loaded or coated or bound with coronavirus, it cannot bind in the well. So then you are adding secondary antibody conjugated with enzyme, then you are adding a substrate. So here one difference is, if color is more, that means if color is more, coronavirus is more. Less, if color is less, the coronavirus is more. That means vice versa. If coronavirus is more, color is less. If coronavirus is less, color is more, because it is a competitive type. Thank you.